Hello friends, in this video we will take a look at legendary female wrestlers who left an unforgettable mark on the industry but sadly passed away due to various tragic circumstances. We will explore their journey when they debuted, how long they dominated the ring, and the age at which they left us. This video is packed with valuable insights, so stay tuned as we begin. Number 1. Vivienne Vachon. Vivienne Vachon embarked on her wrestling journey in 1969 and dedicated 17 years to the sport. Sadly, on August 24, 1991, she lost her life in a devastating car accident at the age of 40. Number 2. Sapphire. Sapphire entered the wrestling world in 1972 and competed for 13 years. Tragically, on September 11, 1996, she suffered a fatal heart attack at the age of 61. Number 3. Liz Chess. Liz Chess stepped into the ring in 1981, building a career that spanned 15 years. Unfortunately, she succumbed to cancer on February 29, 2000, at the age of 68. Number 4. Judy Glover. Judy Glover made her wrestling debut in 1954 and remained active for an impressive 46 years. She passed away from natural causes on February 12, 2000 at the age of 82. Number 5. Ronda Singh. Ronda Singh entered professional wrestling in 1979 and competed for 22 years. Sadly, on July 27, 2001, she suffered a fatal heart attack at the age of 40. Number 6. Miss Elizabeth. Miss Elizabeth joined the wrestling industry in 1979, contributing 14 years to the sport. On May 1, 2003, she tragically passed away due to a drug overdose at the age of 42. Number 7. Mariana. Mariana began her wrestling career in 1979 and remained active for 17 years. She tragically lost her battle with breast cancer on September 26, 2004 at the age of 35. Number 8. Kay Noble. Kay Noble entered the wrestling in 1957 and had a remarkable 30-year career. She passed away from stomach cancer on April 27, 2006. At the age of 65. Number 9. Nancy Bernard. Nancy Bernard stepped into the wrestling scene in 1989 and competed for 16 years. Tragically, she was murdered on June 22, 2007 at the age of 43. Number 10. Fabulous Moolah. Fabulous Moolah made her wrestling debut in 1949 and left a lasting legacy over 38 years. She suffered a fatal heart attack on November 2, 2007 at the age of 84. Number 11. Sherry Roselle. Sherry Roselle began her wrestling journey in 1987, competing for 16 years. Unfortunately, on June 15, 2007, she passed away due to a multiple drug overdose at the age of 49. Number 12. Judy Grable. Judy Grable debuted in professional wrestling in 1953 and spent 12 years in the industry. She succumbed to Alzheimer's disease on May 9, 2008 at the age of 72. Number 13. Luna Vachon. Luna Vachon made her wrestling debut in 1993 and competed for 13 years. Tragically, on August 27, 2010, she died from a drug overdose at the age of 48. Number 14. Vivienne Sitchon. Vivienne Sitchon stepped into the ring in 1974, competing for 8 years. After battling a long illness, she passed away on December 20, 2013 at the age of 63. Number 15. Mae Young. Mae Young began a wrestling career in 1939 and had an astonishing 65 years tenure. She passed away from natural causes on June 14, 2014 at the age of 90. Number 16. Chyna. Chyna entered the wrestling industry in 2005 and competed for 7 years. Tragically, on April 20, 2016, she lost her life to a drug overdose at the age of 45. Number 17. Nicole Bass. Nicole Bass stepped into the professional wrestling in 1997 and had a 5-year career. She suffered a fatal heart attack on February 16, 2017 at the age of 52. Number 18. Ashley Massaro. Ashley Massaro made her wrestling debut in 2005, competing for 3 years. Tragically, she took her own life on May 16, 2019 at the age of 39. Number 19. Daphne. Daphne entered the wrestling in 1999 and spent 5 years in the industry. She was tragically murdered on September 1, 2021 at the age of 46. Number 20. Melissa Cortez. Melissa Cortez debuted in the wrestling in 2001 and competed for 13 years. Sadly, she lost her life to complications from the coronavirus on June 23, 2021 at the age of 52. Number 21. Sarah Lee. Sarah Lee stepped into professional wrestling in 2016 and wrestled for 2 years. Tragically passed away by suicide on October 5, 2022 at the age of 30. Number 22. Chelsea Love. Chelsea Love made her wrestling debut in 2006 and competed for 4 years. On June 13, 2022, she was fatally shot in the head at the age of 26. Number 23. Peggy Lee Leather. Peggy Lee Leather entered the wrestling industry in 1980 and had a 33-year career. She succumbed to a heart attack on May 22, 2003 at the age of 64. Number 24. Asahi. Asahi began her wrestling career in 2015 and wrestled for 6 years. Tragically, she lost her life in a traffic collision on February 1, 2024 at the age of 21. That brings us to the end of this video, remembering the legendary female wrestlers who made a lasting impact before their untimely passing. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison for more wrestling content. Thanks for watching.